Korea markets, the Kospi is up 0.5% and the Kosdaq is up 1/3% this morning. The blue chips are showing especially a very strong picture this morning. Names like Hyundai Motors are up more than 2%. Analysts are saying that the strong open is coming from the Volkswagen news. Volkswagen is a big part of the import car market, and they're saying that the recalls or any bad press related to this story will mean more Hyundai cars sold, or at least that's what analysts are saying this morning. We are seeing them outperforming the index up 2.2%. SK Hynix is also higher by more than 1% this morning. They are expected to post third quarter earnings above market expectations. Analysts are expecting revenues to come in at 4.8 trillion won, operating profit expected at 1.4 trillion won. This is higher than the previous quarter and also higher than previous market expectations. The $1 rise is the biggest factor that they are citing for the strong expectations. This will mean a stronger quarter in terms of earnings, offsetting the fact that there was a big fall in semiconductor prices during the third quarter. So we are seeing this name outperforming today. Also, the data from the customs service is showing that in August, while overall exports were down 20% year-on-year, semiconductors, so memory chip exports were up 4% year-on-year. So overall, we are expecting SK Hynix and Samsung Electronics to benefit from a strong third quarter in terms of memory chip sales. Going back to the Kospi, taking a look at the sectors, the best performing sectors are the autos, with the news showing that Hyundai Motors, we are still seeing the management and union discussing wage and also reform processes in terms of labor issues. So we are still seeing a possible strike coming up starting tomorrow, going on until Friday. But still, we are seeing Kia and Hyundai both up more than 2%. KEPCO is up about 0.8%, and also another standout is Hyundai Mobis up 1.2% and LG Chem up 1.56%. Overall, lower oil prices did mean a big drop for chemical names and also the refiners yesterday. But today we are seeing them rebounding from their lows yesterday. Overall, airline names are higher today on, again, lower oil prices as well. Overall, a strong open for the Korean markets for the blue chips. Matt, over to you.
Thanks very much, June. The Australian market higher by around about